Hey gang, Bohemian here, with the price of smartphones heading well above $1,000, $1,200, $1,400. I imagine a lot of you are like me and going to be looking for alternatives for your next phone. Now, I have seen a lot of YouTubers talk about Amazon renewed phones, most notably Travis McP. Now, this guy has bought a lot of Amazon renewed phones and has been talking about them at length. And who knows, maybe after about 10 years of doing this, I'll be half as good at this as he is. But I'd like to thank him for the idea. I'm checking out the Google Pixel first generation unlocked phone. The Amazon renewed price is $97. Now that's something like $1,100 less than a current Google Pixel if you have all the options picked. Now, Amazon renewed phones are supposed to look and act pretty much like new. What they say is minimal scratches or dents and a battery with at least 80% capacity. Box may be generic and accessories may not be original, but will be compatible and fully functional. Well, I ordered one of these about a week ago. It's here now. We're going to open it up and check it out. Now we have the FedEx package here. Still in the original shipping carton, so if there's any surprises, I'm going to be just as surprised as you are. But let's open this up and see what we got. Sorry about that, didn't mean to bump the camera. Boy, they're not kidding. Generic box. Yeah. Generic charger. Generic power cord. Little note about a pre-installed screen protector already on this thing. And something about needing to return Apple products. Okay, looking over this. There's a little bit of a dent right there. Another tiny bit of a dent right there. A few smudges on here. Oh, definitely been dropped once or twice. And another little chip right there. Oh, another little dent right there. Jeez. I also see lots of wear and tear on the bottom. Well, we're going to slap a case on this thing, power it up, set it up, and let you know what we got. Well, this video is going to turn out to be a lot shorter than I was expecting. Hadn't even gotten 5 minutes into the setup, and phone went dead. So, tried to reboot it. Leave the power button in for 20, 30 seconds. Nothing. Try to get it to fast boot. Nothing. In the words of Monty Python, it's not pinin', it's passed on. It's gone to meet its maker. If the seller hadn't nailed it to the perch, it would be pushing up daisies, and I guess I'm going to have to take advantage of Amazon's 90-day return policy and send this thing back. Okay, what you've seen up until now on this video was recorded last Friday. Since then, I have gone back to Amazon, brought up this particular order of this Pixel phone, hit the return button. Amazon immediately sent me a prepaid UPS label. I packed it all up, took it to the UPS store, dropped it off on Saturday. Monday afternoon, I got an email from Amazon that my refund is being processed and is on its way. Obviously, they didn't wait until the phone was received. They just immediately sent the refund on Monday as soon as in the system as being physically shipped. So I guess I can't complain about the end result of the whole process, even though the phone itself was a DOA, beaten to hell piece of crap. So, what's been your experience getting phones from Amazon Renewed? Hopefully it's better than mine. Did you get a Google Pixel? Did you get something else, maybe Samsung or OnePlus or something like that? Let me know in the comments what your experience with Amazon Renewed phones has been. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you are interested in this kind of video all the time, hit the subscribe button. And of course, hit that notification bell if you'd like to be notified of when we release a new video around here. Hope y'all have a good day, and I will see you in the next video.